If your Gmail inbox is getting crowded, confusing, or just plain hard to manage, this tutorial is going to help you take control in a simple way. Today, I'm going to show you how to create Gmail rules to move emails automatically, so messages from specific senders with certain subjects or containing certain keywords can be organized the moment they arrive. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up your inbox, save time, and make sure important emails never get lost in the chaos. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where you want to create the rule. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This is where Gmail keeps all of its customization options and inbox tools. After the settings panel opens, click See All Settings. This takes you into the full Gmail settings menu, where you can control filters, labels, sorting behavior, and other account preferences. From here, look along the top tabs and click Filters and Blocked Addresses. This section is specifically where Gmail rules are created and managed. Now click Create a new filter. A new window will appear with several fields you can use to define exactly which emails should be affected. This is the part that gives you control over how Gmail sorts your messages. You do not need to fill in every field, only the ones that match the type of emails you want to organize. For example, you can enter a sender's email address in the From field if you want all emails from that person or company to be handled automatically. If you want Gmail to catch messages with a certain topic, use the Subject field. And if you want to target emails based on specific words or phrases inside the message, use the Has the words or keywords area. You can combine these conditions too, which makes your filter even more precise. Once your conditions are set, click Create Filter. Gmail will then take you to the action screen, where you choose what should happen to emails that match your rule. If your goal is to move emails out of the inbox automatically, select Skip the Inbox, which archives the message so it does not stay in your main inbox view. Next, select Apply the Label. This is what helps keep everything organized into a dedicated category. Click the label dropdown and either choose an existing label or create a brand new one if you want a fresh folder for those messages. Creating a new label is especially useful if you want to separate work emails, newsletters, receipts, clients, or project updates. After selecting the label, click Create Filter again to save everything. From this point forward, Gmail will automatically apply those rules to new incoming emails that match your conditions. That means the messages will skip your inbox and move straight into the label or folder you created, giving you a much cleaner and more organized inbox without any manual effort. This is incredibly useful if you get a lot of repetitive emails and want your inbox to only show the important stuff. You can create multiple filters for different senders, subjects, or keyword groups and build a system that works exactly the way you want. So let's recap quickly. You opened Gmail, went into Settings, found Filters and Blocked Addresses, created a new filter, entered your conditions, selected Skip the Inbox, applied a label, and saved the filter. Now Gmail will handle those emails automatically for you. If this tutorial helped you out, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.